Thank you for choosing the iSpring RCD100 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Dispenser. With the innovative, compact, and all-in-one design, the RCD100 is convenient and provides RO water in 4 preset temperatures. Please follow through with the video for proper startup, operation, and maintenance instructions. Before we begin, please note the following. The system dispenses boiled water. Please operate the system with caution and keep away from the reach of children. The system is designed for residential use with municipal water only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential or well water settings. The system should be placed at a flat surface that is well ventilated and protected against wind and rain. Avoid direct sunlight and radiation from any heat sources. The system requires a 110-volt power outlet. The system operating temperature range is 41 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. Never touch the power cord connector when your hands are wet, as this may result in an electric shock. Use only authorized iSpring parts and filters. Using unauthorized or aftermarket components will void the product warranty. In case of malfunction due to damage or failure of the system, unplug the system immediately and contact iSpring customer service. Please check that all parts were included in your RO systems package before proceeding to installation. Installation. Step 1. Place the system on a stable and flat surface. Attach the base to the system. Lift the water tank cap and take out the water tank. Rinse the tank thoroughly. Step 2. Unwrap stage 2, 3, and 4 filters from the package. Please note that the stage 1 filter is pre-installed inside the water tank, and the stage 5 UV filter is installed inside the system. Step 3. Insert the stage 4 ACF filter into the filter slot. Ensure the filter goes all the way into the slot. Step 4. Lift the filter cap on the left side and install the stage 2 composite filter to the cap by twisting the filter counterclockwise. Lift the filter cap on the right side and install the stage 3 RO membrane to the cap by twisting the filter counterclockwise. Ensure the arrow on the filter caps align with the mark on the filters. Step 5. Fill the tank with tap water to the 1.3 gallon line. Place it back into the system base and close the tank lid. Please note the system will not operate with the lid open. The installation is now complete. System startup. Ensure the system's surface is dry. Plug in the power. The display will turn on with a beep sound. The system will initiate a 2-minute flush sequence upon first-time use. Please note the system will also flush for 30 seconds each time after water has been dispensed and 10 seconds after the water tank has been filled. The system will automatically enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. All displays and lights will turn off. Press any button to exit sleep mode. To switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit in the display, press and hold the Option button for 3 seconds or until the beep sounds. A manual flush is also recommended for first-time use. Place a cup beneath the dispenser and press the room temp button on the display. The system is preset at dispensing 250 milliliters or 8.5 ounces of RO water at a time. Empty the cup and repeat this step 3 to 4 times. Remove and empty the rest of the water inside the tank. Refill the tank with fresh water and place the tank back into the system base. The system is now ready for use. System operation. After the system is flushed, press the lock button on the display to lock or unlock the system. Please note the system's child safety lock will automatically engage and apply to all hot water modes after 5 seconds of inactivity. Room temperature mode is not affected by the lock. Press the room temp, formula, coffee, or tea button to dispense water. The 4 different dispensing modes represent 4 water temperature presets. Press the button again to force dispensing to stop. The system can dispense water up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius. Please operate with caution. When the refill signal flashes on the display, the water level in the tank is low and needs to be emptied and refilled. Please note that the wastewater from the reverse osmosis process is stored in a separate section within the tank and remains there at the end of the filtration cycle. Therefore, it's crucial to empty the tank before refilling it. Filter replacement. The 4 bars on the display indicate the filter life. When a particular filter reaches the end of its life cycle and must be replaced or serviced, the correspondent filter life indicator light will flash red with 30 beeps until it is reset. Please follow the filter life indicator and clean or replace the filter on time. For the Stage 1 filter, we recommend cleaning it every 3 to 6 months. Open the tank lid and give the system 10 seconds for self-cleaning and flushing. Then remove and empty the water tank. Pull the filter out of the tank bottom. Carefully clean it with a brush and water and reinstall the filter to the water tank when finished. Stage 2, 3, and 4 filters have different service life ranging from 6 months to 2 years. However, the actual lifespan of filters may vary depending on the source water quality and frequency of usage. To replace them, open the tank lid and give the system 10 seconds for self-cleaning and flushing. Then remove the water tank. Lift the exhausted Stage 2 or 3 filters and twist clockwise to release them. Install new Stage 2 or 3 filters to the filter cap. Twist counterclockwise to secure filters in place. To replace the Stage 4 filter, please remove Stage 2 and 3 filters for easier access. Pull out the exhausted Stage 4 filter from the slot and install a new filter. Ensure to have the filter push all the way into the slot. After the filters are placed, refill the water tank, place it back in the system base, and close the lid. Please note, the system will not operate with the lid open. To reset the filters, Step 1. Press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds or until it beeps to enter the filter life reset mode. Step 2. Press the option button to choose a specific stage of the filter to reset the filter life. The number logo will flash after being chosen. Step 3. Press and hold the setting button until a beep sound to reset the filter after replacing the cartridge. Repeat the above steps to reset all filters when needed. The reset mode will end automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity. Filter replacement is now complete. Reset the system. To reset the system to factory settings, open the tank lid, press and hold the setting and room temp buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds or until a long beep. This will erase all user settings and reset filter life indicators. Please note, each time the system is reconnected to the power supply or after reset, it must dispense room temperature water for 10 seconds before hot water modes can be used. Congratulations! Your iSpring RCD100 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Dispenser is now ready for use. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing hot water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.